Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to virtual class of Sekolah Sukma Bangsa Biren. Today you are going to learn with me, Diana. And in this lesson, we are going to discuss on how to tell the time in English. So, okay, everyone, here I have drawn a clock, but excuse my drawing. But before that, in telling time in English, you need to know that there are two styles of telling the time in English. The first one is British style and the second one is American style. So here we are going to discuss what is the differences between British style and also American style. So in British style, you will find some of the words like a half, quarter, past, and two. A half means 30 minutes, 30 menit in bahasa, and then a quarter means 15 minutes atau 15 menit, and then past means lewat, and then to menuju or kurang. And then let's go to the hours. So here I have drawn the clock. There are two hands. The shorter hand shows the hours and then the longer hand shows the minutes. So here the shorter hand is pointed to 3 and then the longer hand is pointed to 12. So we say that 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, jam 3. And then remember that a clock is only used for telling the complete hours. It means no minutes after or before that. Jadi untuk mengatakan jam yang memang sudah komplit atau jam pas, you set a clock. So for example, it's 3 o'clock, jam 3. So a clock, you only use a clock to tell about the complete hours, jam pas. Jadi a clock itu cuma digunakan untuk menyatakan jam pas. So for example, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. And now, let's find out what does a half, a quarter, past, and two means in British style. So, dalam pengucapan ataupun menyatakan jam dalam gaya British, itu kita mengenal beberapa istilah. Ada half, a quarter, past, and two. Nah, untuk yang jam, if there is from 1 to 30 minutes, we use past in British style, and then from 31 minutes to 60 minutes or to 59 minutes, we use two. Jadi start dari lebih dari 1 menit sampai ke 30 menit itu kita menggunakan past. Dan dari 31 menit sampai ke 60 menit pas itu kita sampai ke 59 menit, sampai ke 59 menit lewat itu kita menggunakan to. But remember that past and to is only used in British style, not in American style. Jadi penggunaan past sama to ini dia cuma digunakan dalam pengucapan jam bahasa Inggris dengan menggunakan gaya British. Nah, contoh misalnya, for example, okay, jam 1 lewat 5 menit. So in British style, you have to say the minute first, the minute. So it means 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then remember that start from 1 to 30 minutes, so you have to use past. So here 5 minutes past 1, 5 minutes past 1. In British style, say the minute first and then you use past or to, and then followed by the hours 1. So 5 minutes past 1. Okay, next, let's find about half. Here, Look at this, jam 3.30. So how to say it in British style? Remember that in British style, to tell about 30 minutes, you may use a half. So here you have to say the minute first. A half. So it means a half. Okay, because it's no more than 30 minutes, so use still past. You have to use past. A half past 3. A half past 3. So it means jam 3.30 in bahasa. And quarter. Quarter means 15 minutes, 15 menit. Jadi istilah a quarter itu digunakan untuk pengucapan 15 menit dalam gaya British. For example, okay, so say the minute first. Quarter. Quarter past. Quarter past 5. Quarter past 5. So quarter past 5 means jam 5 lewat 15 menit dalam bahasa Indonesia, in bahasa. And then 2. I told you before that if there is start from 31 minutes to 59 minutes, you have to use 2. Jadi dimulai dari lebih dari 31 menit sampai ke menit 59, kita menggunakan istilah to untuk menyatakan jamnya dalam gaya British. Contoh, jam Oke, 6.40. 6.40 jam, 6 lewat 40 menit. Nah, 40 menit it's more than 30, right? Jadi kan ada lebih dari 30. Nah, setiap menit yang lebih dari 30, maka kita harus menggunakan to, menuju ke jam selanjutnya. Di sini jam 6, berarti dia akan menuju ke jam 7 atau jam 7 kurang, istilah lainnya. Nah, 1 jam itu we have 60 minutes for 1 hours. Kita ada 60 menit dalam 1 jam. Nah, jadi ketika jam 6 lewat 40, berarti kan dia butuh 20 menit lagi untuk menuju ke jam 7. So here you may say that 20 minutes to, nah kita harus pakai to karena kan 40 lebih dari 30 menit. 20 minutes to 20 menit menuju ke jam, nah berarti ke jam 7 karena di sini jam 6.40. 20 minutes to 7. 20 minutes to 7. Artinya sama dengan jam 6.40 atau jam 7 kurang 20. Okay. This all of the how to say, istilah-istilah ini dia cuman digunakan di British style. You have to remember that we don't use a half, a quarter, past or to tell the time in by using American style. So American style is more simple than British style. So if you want to say that, for example, to jam 2.30. Nah, in American style, if you want to say jam 2.30, you just say that 2:30. 2:30. That's the differences. So if in British style you say the minute first and then followed by the hours, but in American style you may say that the hours first and then followed by the minutes. Jadi kalau dalam gaya British itu kita pertama bilang menitnya dulu, kemudian diikuti dengan jam. Sedangkan di American style itu jamnya duluan yang disebutkan, baru kemudian diikuti oleh menit. Jadi 2:30. You just say 30. Only say 30 in American style, not a half. Jadi kita nggak bilang a half di gaya American style. It's more simple, right? Jadi dia lebih simple dibandingkan dengan yang British. And And also quarter, we don't use quarter for American style. So if you want to say that for, okay, just say that for 15, artinya jam 4:15, for 15. Jam 4:15, for 15. We don't say that for quarter. Quarter is only used in British style. And then considering that English is not used 24 hours time zones, so we know there are some AM and also PM. Nah, karena di dalam pengucapan jam dalam bahasa Inggris itu kita tidak menggunakan zona 24 jam. It's meant only 12 zone, cuman 12 jam durasinya, jadi nggak ada istilah 24 jam, jadi nggak ada istilah jam 12, jam 13, jam 14, no. Makanya ada istilah AM and also PM. Okay, so AM means ante-meridium and then PM means post-meridium. Nah, for AM, it starts from okay, so AM means ante-meridium. It starts from 1 minute past 12 at midnight until 12 o'clock at noon. Nah, jadi ante-meridium itu digunakan ketika jam 12 lewat 1 menit tengah malam, itu udah masuk ke AM, sampai jam 12 siang, itu AM. Kemudian post-meridium itu orang biasanya istilahnya cuma AM sama PM. Nah, PM ini, post-meridium ini startnya dari jam 12 lewat 1 menit siang hari, at noon, di siang hari, sampai jam 12.00 di malam hari. Itu untuk penggunaan AM sama PM. For example, now it's, what time is it now? Nah, sekarang misalnya jamnya jam 10 pagi hari, 10 pagi, masih pagi. So we say that 10 AM. AM itu masuk ke AM karena masih pagi. Misalnya jam 3 siang, I will meet you at 3 PM. Saya akan bertemu dengan kamu jam 3 sore. So now let's do some exercise. In order to know that you have understood or not about how to tell the time in English, now let's find out here. Okay, 7:07, jam 7:07. So how to say that in British style? So if in British style, remember that you have to say the minute first. So it will be 7 minutes past. 7 minutes past. 7 minutes past 7. 7 minutes past 7. It is British style. While if you are going to say 7 past 7 in American style, you say that 7 past 7 British style, but in American style you may say that 7. Nah, kalau dalam British style itu kita pakai past sama seperti yang sudah tadi dijelaskan sebelumnya. Jadi kalau misalnya jam 7:07 in bahasa, jadi Ketika kita mengucapkannya dalam bahasa Inggris dengan menggunakan gaya British, 7 minutes plus 7. And then another example. Oke, jam 10:25. So, how to say jam 10:25 in English but by using American style? So in American style, you may say that 10:25. 10:25. 10:25. Okay, if someone said you that 10:25, so it means jam 10:25, but he used American style. Okay, and then how to say 10:25 but by using British style? So 10:25 in British style. 10:25. So say the minute first. 25. 25 past 10. 25 past 10. 25 past 10, it's British style. Okay, that the differences between American and also British style. In American style, said the hours first and then followed by the minutes, while in a British style, you said the minute first and then followed by the hours. So, in this lesson, I have taught you about how to tell the time in English, and also you have known about the differences of using British style and also American style in telling the time. And I hope that all of you can use both of the style in your daily conversations. And just enough for this lesson. So see you on the next lesson. Bye bye.